In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include a terms list on your website using WordPress 2025. This is a quick and easy process that will take about 5 minutes, perfect for anyone looking to enhance their site's functionality effortlessly. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. This is your central hub where you can manage your website's content and settings. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log in. You should see a login button situated at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. If you're already a WordPress user, this should be familiar territory. For those newer to the platform, don't worry, it's quite straightforward. After you've clicked login, you'll see an option to continue with Google. If you've linked your WordPress account to your Google account, opting to continue with Google can simplify the login process as it bypasses the need to enter your login credentials manually. Click on Continue with Google and you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you'd like to use. Select the account that's associated with your WordPress website. With your Google account selected, you'll be taken directly to your WordPress dashboard. Now here you'll want to look at the right panel for something labelled Quick Links. Under Quick Links you'll find an option to Edit Site. Click on Edit Site. This is going to take you where the magic happens. Once you're in edit mode, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where there's an Add button. Click on it to add a new block. Blocks are the building units of WordPress sites and make organizing content visually intuitive. After clicking Add, a search bar will appear. In this search bar, simply type in Terms List. This is the block you'll be using to incorporate terms lists into your web pages. You'll see Terms List as an available option. Click on it and just like that, your Terms List block will appear on the page. This feature is particularly useful if you regularly update or need to display important terms and conditions, frequently asked questions, or any other list structured content. And there you have it, you've successfully added a terms list to your WordPress site. Remember, this process allows you to better organize and present information to your visitors, enhancing the usability and compliance of your website. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide simplified your experience with WordPress. Make sure to give your new feature a test to ensure it displays correctly, and feel free to customize it to match your site's aesthetic and functional needs. Happy editing!